Silly Crocodile and the Loose Tooth. Once upon a time, in a big blue river, there lived a silly crocodile named Cody. Cody was not like the other crocodiles. He loved to laugh, play, and make funny faces in the water. But one day, something felt strange in his mouth. "Oh no! My tooth is wobbly," Cody gasped as he wiggled it with his tongue. Cody was worried. What if I lose my tooth and can't eat my favorite crunchy fish anymore? He swam to his friend, Tilly the turtle. "Tilly, my tooth is loose. What should I do?" Tilly giggled. "Cody, it's just a baby tooth. A new one will grow back." But Cody wasn't sure. He asked Benny the bird, then Oliver the otter, but they all said the same thing. "It's normal, Cody. Don't be scared." Still, Cody was nervous. What if my new tooth never comes? That night, as Cody yawned, the loose tooth fell out plop, right into the water. The next morning, he felt something strange. A tiny new tooth was already growing. Cody laughed. "I worried for nothing." From then on, whenever another baby crocodile had a loose tooth, Cody told them, "Don't be scared. A new one will always come."
And so, the silly crocodile learned that change is nothing to fear sometimes. It brings something even better.